Yeah, we just came to the main hall here, and our conference is not started yet. It will take some time, maybe. Yeah, it's still empty, we can see. So we need to wait. So let me get my bag here. The gift bag I didn't receive. So I need to ask the same here. Oh yeah. Hello, welcome back. Actually, I didn't receive any gift bag. I saw there's someone.
It's just arrived.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. So yeah, finally I got my gift bag here. I don't know what is inside it. Can you see something? What is inside here? Yeah, I see it. There is another bag and there is a paper. I don't know what is that. We can check it later. Gift bag from CIMB. Oh, you see? You see? CIMB. So, what can I eat? I don't know. What stall is this? So we are not going inside. We can check outside. Ooh. For female dressing, you can see hijabi dress. Actually, I like Malaysian hijabi dress. It looks really nice. Even though I don't buy because I'm still single, unfortunately. So inshallah next time I will buy. Wow. Where are they? You see? Actually I didn't see them. Where are they now? Since I see and is coming back. Oh, there is another conference hall or what? I don't know. What are they doing here? Oh, there is a food stall. Very big. I even didn't know. So many people here, you can see. This is for male or female? I don't know. I feel like it is for both. Oh, there are some food menus here, you can see. So let's check what we can eat. Oh, this is the entrance and we need to go this way. This is for female only or what? I don't know. Wow. There are so many people here having their lunch. I actually didn't know. Ooh, so many people. And what can I buy? From where? I need to stand in the queue or what? Let's go. Let's go and check. To buy. I need to order here or what? Let's stand in the queue. Ooh. So this is the situation here. Okay. Let me check what they are selling here. I have no idea. So they are selling ice, Nescafe, iced tea, tea tare. Oh, different kinds of drink. There is some dessert here. Oh, like a cake. And there is some drink. So what we can take? Oh, there is chicken. I don't know what to take. Oh, Nasi Ayam. This is called Nasi Ayam. I see this is very popular, you can see. And Nasi Ayam is very popular in Malaysia. This is mee goreng mama. So this is mee goreng mama. Yeah, this is also very popular, you can see. So, and here is the nasi goreng ayam. Wow, it looks so delicious. Malaysian favorite and popular food. So okay, let's order first. I think we need to order the bag where I stand before. Oh, there are already a lot of people. I need to go more behind of the queue. Yeah, we need to order here, and I need to go back. Ooh, last. So let's go and try to order our food. Nasi goreng. Oh, nasi ayam. This is not nasi goreng. What's the difference between nasi goreng and nasi ayam? It's like name is similar, just goreng is different. Excuse me. Can I order food here? All this food? Nasi ayam satu. And teo ice satu.
Yêu ảnh.
Yeah.
Yêu ảnh ada. Ais lemon tea ada.
Lemon tea?
Ais lemon.
Yeah. Hello.
Ada.
Can I pay card? Can I pay? No, cash. Cash. No. Okay. How much? 27.
Sip.
Oh, finally, we just ordered iced lemon tea, and chicken rice. Iced lemon tea,
Ais lemon tea.
one. Yeah. So iced lemon tea is 7 ringgit. Iced lemon tea 7 ringgit. It's quite expensive, I think. And nasi ayam it's 20 ringgit. And it's cost total. Yeah, coming with. Thank you. Yeah, I just got iced lemon tea. And I need to take nasi ayam. I need to take. Excuse me. Nasi ayam satu.
Kita bayar tadi 2 chicken rice.
Oh, finally.
Sorry?
My food is ready. Yeah, my phone is here. Let's see a place where to sit. I don't know. I feel like it looks so delicious food, but I need to take a seat here. I don't know where to sit. Let's find out a seat here. Oh yeah, finally we got it over here. This is empty, I see. Excuse me, can I sit here? Thank you. Finally, this is our food. We can take our lunch here. Finally, we took our seat here. Let's take our meal. Yeah, this is our food. This is Nasi Ayam. The ice lemon tea. It's Malaysian food. So finally, we can start our eating. I didn't bring spoon before, so I just got it now. Now let's start. Wow, it's ayam chicken. Chicken looks so delicious, you can see. Wow. Let's try it. Amazing. It's just boiled, everything like not fried or anything. Let's try the soup. How is this? It looks like just water. Wow. Actually, I like Malaysian soup. Soup, very tasty. I don't know, there is nothing much thing inside it, but it's good. Yeah, there are some salad also. See, cucumber and tomato. It's good. So let's mix our soup on it. Just don't check all. Let's try. Actually, I like spicy food, but I feel like it's not spicy at all. Not even the soup, but it's okay, I think. There are a lot of people, you can see. So many people. I don't know when the next session will start. Maybe now, what time is it now? Maybe I think 3 p.m. it will start again. I'm not sure. 3 to 6, maybe. So everyone is relaxed, I see. Not so fast or anything. Only the soup is special. If soup is not here, I would not eat this. I thought it's really special and something tastes good, but they even didn't use any masala here, which is a spicy masala. None of them use here. I don't know why. Not even in the chicken, not in the soup, and rice, same. I feel like nasi goreng is better. What I feel. I don't know, but every person's taste is not same. Maybe Malaysian people don't like much spicy. That's why maybe they like this. I don't know. I feel like they even didn't use any salt in the chicken. When they boil, they didn't use any salt. However, I already told you, different person's choice is different. So maybe my choice is not similar like Malaysian people. However, we can experience, no problem. We can eat, no problem at all. I like to test different foods from different countries. You may saw my other videos also. I try other countries' food also. So it doesn't matter. I can test all the food, then I will have experience that which country's food is good, which country's food is bad, and which one will be the best. But it depends on every person. Every person's choice is different from another. So it's no problem at all. It's okay. It's okay. I feel like it's okay. I can say it's best. Yes, of course it's not best because no spicy at all. Chicken just boiled. Okay. Finally, we finished our lunch. I think we can go back to the hall and take a seat. My most favorite speaker didn't speak yet. I think he is the last guest for today. I'm not sure. So, however, we are done lunch. Let's go back. So yeah, this is the bag I just got. Oh, I think I can show you the bag now. What is inside it? Okay, let's open it.